Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to integrate ElevenLabs Webhook with N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, search for ElevenLabs and click on it. Here, you'll see the available actions. Click on Install Now to proceed. After that, click on Webhook Call. Now, choose the HTTP method you want to use like delete, get, head, patch, post, or put depending on your integration needs. Then, enter the path for your webhook. Open a new tab and go to the ElevenLabs website. Copy the webhook URL provided by ElevenLabs and paste it into the path field in N8N. Now, select the authentication type. Options include Basic Auth, Header Auth, GWT, or none. If you choose Basic Auth, click on Create New Credential, then enter ElevenLabs username and password. Once done, set the response option based on how you want N8N to handle the webhook. Choose from immediately, when last node finishes, or using response to webhook node. After everything is set, go back and review your configuration to make sure it's ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.